Hi guys, see you again on my YouTube channel. Now, we learn about how to draw a PET bottle cooking oil. Okay, let's get started. On the front plane, choose revolved boss. Then create rectangle. Set height at 200 millimeters. And width at 33 millimeters. Change the vertical line at the origin to a construction geometry. Then create an arc profile. Trim some lines. Use the add relation command for arcs and lines to be tangent or coincident. Set dimensions at 8 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 17.5 millimeters. Radius 10 millimeters. 20 millimeters radius. 25 millimeters radius. As well as the respective fillets. 1 millimeter. And 2.5 millimeters. Okay. Then exit sketch. Okay. Select the extruded cut on the top surface. Create polygon profiles. Check circumscribed circle. Okay. Make vertical. Set dimensions at 28 millimeters. Exit sketch. Select through all. Check flip side to cut. Click draft angle. Set the angle at 45 degrees. OK. On the top surface, select the extruded boss. Sketch a circle 28 millimeters in diameter. Then exit sketch. Set depth at 18.5 millimeters. In direction 2, select up to next. OK. Create an axis. Click the front plane and right plane. OK. Click the front plane, then choose the revolved boss. Create line sketch profile. Set dimensions at 2 millimeters, 2.6 millimeters, 10-degree angle, 1.5 millimeters dimension, 1 millimeter, 1.6 millimeters, 12.5 millimeters. Exit sketch. Click axis as axis of revolution. OK. Create a new plane to the top surface with a distance of 2.5 millimeters. OK. Then create a helix on the new plane. Make a circle with a diameter of 25 millimeters. OK and exit sketch. Check variable pitch. Set region parameter to 8 millimeters pitch. 8 millimeters pitch. 0.05 revolution. 28 millimeters in diameter. 8 mm pitch. 0.55 revolution. 28 mm in diameter. 8 mm pitch. 0.6 revolution. OK. Then create line profile on the front plane. Set 60 mm angle. 1.6 mm wide. 3 mm high. And 1.9 mm thick. Set fillet at 0.25 mm. OK and exit sketch. Select Sweep Boss. Then click Sketch 6 and Helix Path. Click Bidirectional. OK. Choose a circular pattern. Number of instances is 3. Click Axis 1 as pattern axis. Click the Sweep 2 feature. OK. Hide plane 1, and hide helix. Create a line sketch profile for the split line on the body surface. On the front plane, draw a rectangle. Set dimensions at 40 mm and 50 mm. Convert the vertical lines to construction geometry. Exit sketch. Select split line. Then click the body surface. Offset surface at 0 mm. Then thicken cut at 0.25 mm. Make a revolved cut command on the front plane. Then make a profile of the isosceles triangle line. Set dimensions at 10 mm. 1.9 mm. Fillet 1 mm. OK and exit sketch. Click Axis 1 as axis of revolution. OK. Set fillet at 2 mm. OK. Select linear pattern. Click Axis 1. Set spacing at 15 mm. Click the Cut Revolve 1 and Fillet 1 feature. Number of instances at 3. OK. Set fillet at 2 mm. OK. Set fillet at 3 mm. Click Edge, then choose Right feature. OK. On the front plane, select Revolved Cut. Create a triangular profile. Equal. Set the angle at 80 degrees. Set height at 15 mm. Within 5 mm. Fillet 2 millimeters. OK and exit sketch. Click axis 1 as axis of revolution. OK. Select linear pattern. Click axis 1. Set spacing at 13.2 millimeters. Number of instances at 5. Click the cut revolve feature 2. Click reverse direction. OK. Set fillet at 4 millimeters. OK. Then set the fillets, and choose full round fillet. Click each item to fillet. OK. Repeat the fillet command for the remaining 3. Create a path profile on the front plane. Show profile sketch 1. Offset entities at 2.5 millimeters. Sketch an arc. Then sketch a horizontal line. Set dimensions at 7.5 millimeters. 15 millimeters radius. Fillet 1 millimeter. OK. Then exit sketch. Create an isosceles triangle profile on the right plane. Equal. Set fillet at 0.5 millimeters. OK. Exit sketch. On the feature toolbar, select Sweep Cut. Then click the path for sketch 1. OK. Create another path profile on the front plane. Click Sketch 11, then select Convert Entities. Create the center line as the mirror axis. Choose the Mirror command. Click Entities to mirror. Then click the center line as the mirror about. OK. Change to construction geometry. Sketch an arc. And lines. Add relation becomes tangent. Set dimensions at 5 millimeters. Trim to closest. OK and exit sketch. Create an isosceles triangle line profile on the right plane. 0.5 millimeters fillet. OK, then exit sketch. Choose a sweep cut. Click sketch 13 as a path. OK. Show sketch 12. Then create a new plane. Click the first reference and second reference. Set the angle at 55 degrees. OK. Create a profile on the new plane. Centerline and line. Set dimensions at 2 millimeters. 150 degrees. 15 millimeters. Exit sketch. Click sketch 15, then select extruded cut. Choose through all. OK. Roll back. Choose a circular pattern. 5 instances. Click the cut sweep 2 and cut sweep 1 features. Click axis 1. OK. Roll to end. Then choose the circular pattern again. 10 instances. Click the cut extrude feature 3. Click axis 1. OK. Fillet 1 millimeter. Click edge. And choose virtual left face. OK. Hide plane 2. Create a circle sketch profile on the top plane. Centerline. Then a circle of 5 millimeters diameter. .28 millimeters radius. Exit sketch. Choose the extruded boss. 30 millimeters offset, up to surface. Click the face. OK. Choose circular pattern. 5 instances. Click the boss extrude 2 feature. Click axis 1. OK. Hide axis 1. OK, done. If you have questions, please write in the comments column. See you again. And don't forget to like and subscribe to get notifications for the next video. Thanks.